We back. I'm still shit. Boom, we back with the brake job. Today we're gonna finish the fronts. I had to stop last video to do a customer's car because I don't pay myself. You get it? Alright, so we're gonna throw the front rotors and pads on. And finish up this brake job. I already blocked the wheels off. I got the jack in place. We're gonna hop into a time lapse. In 5, 4, 3, 2, boom!
I don't think they're there when I'm talking. They only gon' stare when I'm wildin'. Keeping my composure. Fuck it. It's a new life. Counted on me, so I did it. Suited me up and I'm fitted. Baby, my girl with the crib. I got a king size for the better. I don't remember the shit that we did. Mine was gone, don't know what you said. I'm married to life, I'm having a wedding. Changing the scenery, changing the setting. Signing my life away to bed. I went in for the needle. Crossing the street, so I'm looking like Beetle.
Alright, first things first, let's check if these guys move. There's two, just like the back. And if they didn't, I didn't get to show this tool in action. It's an impact screwdriver. You put it on top of the screw, you hold it firmly, and you hit it with your hammer, and it will get these set screws out without stripping them. Link in the description. Alright, now we're going to get these two caliper bolts, top and bottom. The top one we're going to loosen, the bottom one we're going to take all the way out. That's enough. Alright, you're going to use the old brake pad to compress your piston in. Now here, you need one of these or any type of clamp you have that could push it back. That's it, maxed out. Lower that back down. Now we can finish taking this bolt out. You don't get your hook ready. Caliper all the way off. Out of the way. Alright, time for the bracket. And this pad's stuck in here, so we get that out after. It's easier when it's out. Now we're gonna remove the caliper bracket bolts. There's one right here, one right down there, Bolt. And now we're just gonna use a hammer to knock that out because it's pretty stuck in there. That's that. Wire wheel attachment for your impact. It's kind of a one-tool job, man. As long as you got all the attachments. Alright, caliper's all set up. New clips are installed. The boots are good. They move nice and easy. Slide-in pins. Start. Alright, you're gonna grab your pads. You're gonna grab the outboard pad, the one without the indicator. I like to put this one on first because it holds these clips. And another tip I could tell you guys is when you put these clips on, there's like a little space on both sides. It should be equal. If it's not, you're gonna spin your rotor and you're gonna hear the metal scratching on top of the rotor, and that sometimes creates a brake noise, and it's hard to figure out what it is. People think it's the pads. The pads are no good, but sometimes it's these clips right here that causes that squeak. So spin your rotor before you put everything together. You hear nothing, go ahead with the first pad. I go in at an angle like this, and then I just twist it in, just like that, top and bottom. If you look right here on the brake pad, you see that small hole right here in the center of the camera. There's one on each side of the brake pad, and that's for these clips right here. These are like these are the spreader clips. I don't know the actual names, but when you take your foot off the brake, these help push the pad off the rotor, so the rotor won't be just burning your pads out. So one end goes on this side, one end goes over here, and then you hold it together. Put one, and there's also another set that goes down here. Alright, hopefully you guys saw that. That's a good angle. And then also at the bottom. Alright, should look something like that. Are you ready to put this guy back on? Grab grab your caliper. Make sure you didn't twist the brake lines around. So the rack should fit right over it if you compressed it enough. And you put your 2 bolts back in the sliders. Boom. Step by step. That's another one.